Alright, so here I would like to talk about display technique, which enables Star CCM to display the two-phase flow in a better manner. At the beginning, what I trying to do is I would like to display the volume fraction of water in center plane, uh, like this one. So this is the center plane. The water is only displayed in center plane. The reason why I'm doing this is because three-dimensional simulation, um, in 3D simulation, there's so many informations inside the computational domain. The information of the air in each cell will block the visibility. So uh, because in simulation it is not like in real world, we the air is transparent, and we all often neglect the existence of air, but in simulation, um, each cell has certain information for different species of fluid, so those information will block the view for different species, so that's why it becomes tricky in display. But we could use certain technique to filter uh, some unnecessary information in the CFD domain. So let me play one trick here. So here we kind of filter the any information which is air is not displayed in our domain. So I think I did a demonstration in previous video. um, let me do some other tricks here. Okay, let me delete this one. So this is the trick what I'm trying to do, the threshold. Alright, so let me redo this again. Right click on derivative part, new derivative part, there's a threshold. In this threshold, select the input part, which is the region of the region, um, and also the scalar I would like to select will be the volume fraction of water. Then we could query the information. So inside this domain, the minimum range will be 0 and maximum of water fraction will be 1. Let's not use this displayer, so select no displayer and create. So we have a new threshold coming out. uh, so this threshold is display everything uh, of VOF of water between 0 and 1, and then we could say, okay, well, I don't need any information of 0 because which is air is block my view. So I say I would like to change that to 0.1 to 1. Then we can see in threshold it remove all of the information or filtered all of the information from air. So this is the cell with information has which ranges between 0.1 to 1. So we can see this is the water body. So it's quite a useful tool for user to display a multi-phase. Let me use a new displayer, scalar. All right, and then let's select the new part, which is the threshold we just created. So you can see this is the water body, and we could change the color. I think the better way is to create geometry instead of scalar. So let's delete that scalar and use geometry right here. Go to part and select threshold. Okay, so this is the geometry, and we would like to enable the surface uh, and disable the outline. So this is the water surface, and we could change the color to constant mode, and we could pretty much assign any color you want in this mode. So let me assign something similar to watercolor right here, and also use transparent mode right here, but we could make it transparent. So that's one trick to play with inside Star CCM. So I think that's all about display technique. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.